So I decided to go on a walk by myself today because Hugo was hanging out with a new friend and still dealing with some stuff back at home even though I'm not at home, and so I'm just trying to get some peace. So I'm going to my favorite trail over here, which I've vlogged at before, and just spend some time alone by myself and with God. So pretty in here. So I'm on a walk in the woods again, and I just really needed this time alone, and so I guess it was a mixed blessing to have a little time away from Hugo, because we all need our times alone. And it's just so pretty out here, as you can see. And yeah, so I'm just trying to gain some perspective and peace and things like that. So thanks for joining me on a walk in the woods. See, this is what amazes me about God's creation. There's little tiny flowers like this. There's just so many intricate parts to them that it's just like masterful artistry. And it's such a small flower. Just so fragrant and so beautiful. Cheers me up. Yeah, there's so many trails you can go on here. You can go up that way or that way. And I just came from that way. But I'm going to go back up that way, back to where I started. I'm just going to dig in, use the abs. Pardon my heavy breathing. I made it up the hill. This is not the worst of it, trust me. There's a really steep hill on the other side, which I'm not going to tackle today, since I haven't been feeling well. But I am going to do the hill I came down, because that's how I have to get up. Okay, so I have to go down this hill down here, up a hill, so I'm gonna go, and thanks for joining on my little forest walk vlog. I'll see you guys later.